Jasper's marks in 3 exams are shown in the table below. By calculating Z-scores, rank his exam performances from first to third. So if we start with English, that's 63 take away 60 divided by 12 gives us 0.25. For maths, that's 72 take away 70 divided by 15, so 2 divided by 15, 0.13 recurring. And then for science, he got 68 minus 64, divide that by 8, 0.5. So if we look at the Z-scores, the highest one is for science, the second best is English, and he actually did worse in maths, even though that was the top score as a raw mark. Normal distribution has the property that 10% of the distribution is less than 120 and 30% of the distribution is less than 130. Find the mean and the standard deviation. So if 120 is here, what we're being told is that this is 0.1. And if 130 is here, we're being told that this is 0.3. This is mu, this is sigma. Mu, sigma is the spread. So let's Z-score these. So if we do 120 take away mu divided by sigma, and then 130 take away mu divided by sigma, what we need to know is the actual K value, the Z-score value over here. And to do that, we use the inv norm, and we inverse norm CDF, and we leave this as 1 and 0. We want the standardized scores, the Z-scores. So for the first one, so left probability of 0.1, negative 1.28. Let's call that 1.2816. And then we can just change this one to 0.3 here. And that gives us negative 0.5244. So these are simultaneous equations which we can go ahead and solve. So in Math 1, we've got the simultaneous equation solver, and I'll use x for mu and y for sigma. So I've got 120 take away x over y is equal to negative 1.2816, and then in this one I'd have 130 take away x over y, and that would be equal to negative 0.5244, and we need to tell it here that we are solving for x and y, and then we get the mean is 136.9 and sigma 13, let's call that 13.21